Talk now, later.
You never wanna pick up. You never wanna do the things that are inconvenient.
Hello, sushi.
What's Gucci?
Squad.
Oh, what's Gucci, sushi?
Oh, I kind of like that.
What's Gucci, sushi?
Now, y'all, I was kind of worried because Crunchyroll was down for like an hour and like 15 minutes.
For a minute, yeah.
Yeah, I was like, we have to film right now because we have like other plans today, so.
This show is just breaking the internet.
I know.
I feel like everybody is just waiting until
Right at 11 a.m.
11 a.m. our time, CT.
Yeah.
Could be whatever time.
But we're also doing the same thing
Just like,
too.
refresh, 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 refresh.
But here we are, and I'm ready to keep watching because I want to know more about Power. I think she's starting to become my favorite character here. She's cool.
I want to know more about the Yasuo long hair sword boy. I feel like he's gonna end up being low-key probably my favorite character.
Really?
Yeah.
And does he have powers? Like, cause he's human?
That's
you know what
true.
I mean? I don't know.
That's true. I never really like the main character of every show. It's too
You
easy.
you don't want
to be like, oh, you know, Tanjiro or Eren. That's why I always like secondary or even third.
Dude, but speaking of
supporting.
main characters, I feel like they all have like red hair.
Like
Tanjiro, Itadori, this guy, Bleach.
I mean, his hair isn't red though. It's like dirty
strawberry
blonde.
Strawberry blonde.
Yeah.
It's like red or strawberry blonde. It's always like
Itadori,
green.
but Deku's hair is green.
Yeah, green black.
But I'm with it. You feel me? Red hair gang. Gang, gang, gang,
I want to play this because just in case, I don't know, midway, like it shuts down like the website.
Oh, that's true.
You know what I mean?
Because y'all are just too crazy over the show. You feel
Crazy.
me?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Appreciate you guys watching this with us.
Yeah.
Because I know you guys have already watched it, so
Yeah.
it means the world. Let's go. Hopefully you enjoy it.
Oh. Guts.
Yeah, I want to know more about her ability. A blood devil.
Oh yeah, because using blood. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
They're like siblings.
Is he checking her out?
At the boobs, man.
Dude, he's real.
Your stomach.
I know, I haven't eaten.
Me neither.
No, bro, he is so just real.
He's very focused.
As a teenager would be.
Kitty. Is she gonna do something with the cat? I'm scared.
Damn.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh.
Meowie.
Oh, she's against devils. That's interesting. Oh.
Damn.
No, I understand. That's how I feel about my dogs.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
But cats are the same.
Oh, and at that moment, a deal was
He's
made.
like, that fucking devil.
Dude, are they about? I love this actually.
That's so funny. I'm dead.
Let's go.
That is so funny.
You just have to. That's his carrot that you dangle the carrot.
Tits.
I'll let you fondle my breast if you blank, and he's gonna do it.
Why?
Motivation.
Oh, Pochita. He's like, I'll agree, just so I can touch your breast.
You don't have to get along with her,
Wasn't
bro.
this like a scene from like the intro? I mean, I only watched it once, but I feel like I've seen that before. Oh.
願わくば日本の敵は悪魔だけでありたいものだがマキマ君
体に答えられそうなのが一匹面白いのが一匹
面白い
最近拾っ
犬を育て使うことくれぐれも情は入れてくれる
She didn't give an answer there.
There's your guy.
I know.
レンジは不快なだけで面白くないですよ。どうして
すべての悪魔は名前を持って生まれてくる。その名前が恐れられているものほど。P は怖いイメージは全くないから、コーヒーの悪魔がいたら弱いだろうね。タイヤに引かれて死ぬイメージがあるから強いかも。
Oh, that's
デ
interesting.
ンジ君はチェンソー
Chainsaw Devil sounds terrifying.
That's true.
と思うけどな。
That's a very cool way of thinking about it.
面白いだ使えないやつですよ。
But the blood devil, like power.
Yeah.
目標や信念があるものだけしかいない。でもあいつはダラダラと生きたいだけだと言っていました。それに悪魔と仲良くなれると思ってる。まだガキなんですよ。ガキ。
ここにニャーコと悪魔がいる。
はあ。じゃあさっさと行くか。
I feel like something crazy is about to happen.
Yeah, yeah.
Like-
What the hell?
Who's this devil?
貧血なる。
What if it's like not even a devil but a human?
お、チェンソー？
ああ。俺チェンソー。
人間の冗談は笑えんな。
Does she not know that he's
Yeah.
half?
Like his powers?
あ？
お、どうした？
てめえが姿見せたら猫を人質にされんだろ。こんないいでしょ。
おお、そういう設
She lying?
設定？
言い間違いじゃ。
Something's going on.
What?
What the heck?
バカじゃが勘は良かったな。
What?
Wait, what's going on?
Who is she working for? Damn.
Oh my
So
god.
she's bad. Well,
随分と私を待たせたな、血の悪魔よ。
uh-huh.
逃げたのかと思った。
と外に出られたんじゃ。
Hmm.
望み通り人間を連れてきたぞ。コウモリ。
Bat.
久しぶりの初
She's gonna feed him.
若い男か、精力の出る血を飲めそうだ。
They don't know that he's not full human though. That's
Yeah.
interesting.
Oh, ew, it looks like a real bat.
られた傷、この私を隠れざるを得なくさせた忌々しい傷だ。人間に刻まれた傷、人間の血で癒させて。
Dude, he's about to turn.
No, but he can't pull his.
Oh, he's gonna taste it and be like, that's not human blood.
Oh, here it is. Disgusting.
Yeah.
まずい血で復活してしまったではないか。
Oh, he doesn't need to eat him. He just needs to drink some of his blood.
気持ち悪い。他の人間で口直しをしなければ。
Dude, what? So is she bad?
Yeah.
So I like a bad character.
悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか。
Yeah, so now he's like realizing, damn, you
Yeah.
can't trust the devil.
やはり人間
This is also, I've seen the scene.
蝶と薬の匂い。
それマジ
悪くない匂い。
Oh gosh.
Damn.
子供に決めたぞ。
Children!
約束通り人間を連れてきたんじゃニャーコを返してもらう
Dude. Oh, oh, so cute.
ニャーコ
私にまずい血を持ってきた罰がまだ。
No.
Dude.
ウヌの名はニャーコじゃ猫にしてはうまそうな匂いじゃな
Oh.
広い
Wow, she looks insane.
やるか 早く大きくなれニャーコ
Oh, what? Oh, shit.
Damn. She's crazy.
Yeah. Oh, he got fat.
And now she's in love with it.
Yeah.
全て殺してたからな悲鳴じゃない不思議な
I don't know. I feel like she's conflicted, right? Like,
Yeah, like
she's
she was
not
just
entirely bad.
she was just doing what she had to do to get
Yeah. To stay alive.
and to get the cat back.
Yeah.
子を殺されたくなく
But he just freaking ate the cat. That's so sad. Come on.
Now they have to
Kill
work
the
together.
bat, yeah.
Come on.
ポチタをもう撫でれんと言っとったなウヌの気持ちが分かったぞ
Oh.
ひどい気分じゃな
Dude, what's she about to do?
What?
the
There's no way
heck?
they. She's not dead though, there's no way.
Yeah.
悪いぞ。
She's gonna like rip him apart
Yeah.
from the inside. Dude, I would hate to live in this world. Like, this looks scary.
だな。
Jesus.
メインは肉好きのいい男。デザート。
Oh, my
Oh
god.
god! I saw him attached to the leg as he pulled.
Oh, really? I didn't.
Give me my tits back!
でろ気持ち
Oh, he's drinking his blood?
貴様の血など飲む気も起こらんわ。
Pull it.
Nice.
Ram!
た時があった朝起きたらポチタはいなくて街悪魔に食われちまったって思っ
This
た
makes me sad.
Damn, he was a kid.
Yeah. Oh, that makes me want to tear
そしてそ
up.
のまま一緒に寝たのを覚えてるどんな気持ちで眠る
He's gonna understand her. Oh, we haven't seen
Dude,
that
I feel
yet. Like, did he just? You're a devil?
How can you not taste that he's a devil?
I was
Like,
wondering
half
that.
devil.
Even smell it, you would think like they'd be like,
Yeah.
"You're not human."
Or like entirely human.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Poor human.
Damn, wrong place, wrong
I
time.
know. She was just being a good worker.
Yeah.
悪魔 のくせに何がしたいんだ。
Are you? This bat is a little slow.
面腹咲いて
Split open your guts.
And then caught me at fail. Dude, like
Damn, he's massive.
chainsaws, man, this is so crazy. Look at the way he runs.
Damn, he's
Wow, he's strong.
yeah, he's sick.
Oh.
Go, baby. He can't like pick him up.
Yeah! Or give him a hug or anything.
Oh.
You know?
I didn't even realize he had hands on the inside.
Oh.
Oh, it's through his hands.
Yeah. Also, does it hurt every time he changes? Cause like, dude, it, like rips out of his body.
No.
Oh, did he release?
Oh, he could. The chainsaw's.
Oh, even he was confused.
その力でなぜ人間を助ける。
And look how strong he is, dude. What a beast.
けたって野郎の命なんざ知るか
Oh, poor guy.
Oh, right in the face.
Ew.
What?
Oh. It's like that sonar
Yeah.
blast because of bats.
Yeah. Damn.
Dude, you gotta get out of there, dude.
He's dead. There's no
Oh
way.
gosh, he's gonna eat him.
Oh, unless she comes out of him.
Dude,
Uh.
なぜ生きてる。
because he has the love of Pochita in him.
No, he has the love of tits.
Yo,
Damn.
look at his fingers.
He looks sick though.
してねえのにまだ
Oh,
してねえんだよ
I got a single damn feel yet. Dude.
dude, the motivation is real with this one.
Oh, he's gonna cop his feel. Dude, this scene is sick.
Dude, he's so scared.
Nyam. Cut his head.
All the way through. Oh, all the guts. And is she gonna like fall out? Ew, dude, this is so gory.
I love it. Let's
that's
go.
sick. That part. Oh, that's it?
Ah.
Okay, so, oh, the ending. Oh yeah, the endings are different for each one.
Oh.
Dude, this
Ooh.
music.
Dude. I'm excited to see all the
This is
different
scary.
devils that he's about to face.
Oh. He's on a leash.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
That's my guy.
Scream out! Yeah! Oh, wow. Okay. Okay.
Pochita.
Dude, this is hardcore.
Damn.
Oh,
Peaceful.
I like that transition. Oh, I like this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. There's like
Damn.
3 different sounds. Okay. Wow, I really like that ending. I think that was my favorite one so far.
That was mine too.
That was good.
That was super sick.
Yeah, is Howard still alive? I think she is, because there's no way she's dead.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
I wonder if Meowie's still alive.
I know, that made me sad.
I feel like they're both still alive.
Meowie? There's no way Meowie's
Because Meowie was in the cage. I don't know.
But that cat had like no devil powers or whatever,
Yeah.
so it would have been digested.
Yeah, gone, donezo.
Yeah.
I'm most excited now for like the different types of devils that they're gonna have to come across.
Yeah.
Like this bat guy is huge and somewhat challenging, but there's probably gonna be some real deep complexities and strengths that is gonna be Liddy. Liddy McGiddy. And we haven't even seen any of the other abilities yet.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go. I'm pumped for this show. I'm honestly like, this is one of my favorite shows.
I'm also like wondering what is like the main storyline, because I feel like they're just like, what is the end goal? What is, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Well, his end goal is to, you know.
I know, but like the story.
But,
What the heck?
no, I mean, it was just,
I don't care
it
about
was that and a kiss at the same time. That's his end goal.
But you know what I mean? Like the story, because
Yeah.
I don't really see like where this is going yet.
Yeah. I mean, they keep incorporating like the government using devils type deal, so I can see
Maybe
that
something,
progressing.
yeah, maybe
where
something's
it's
there.
Yeah, where it's like the devils we're not just your play toys, and we're not all evil either.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be like fighting for their own independence and freedom type deal.
Mm-hmm.
But there are bad devils, so anyways, yeah, this is sick. This is real good. All right, y'all. Love y'all, Sushi Squad. Later, Gucci Sushi. Peace.